Hello, welcome to your class for mental and manual experiment. Today with me is my good friend Miriam. Miriam will assist me in today's experiment. Miriam, what is your favorite Bible story?
The story of Samson and Delilah.
Wow, Samson and Delilah is based on strength and love. But today we are going to simulate the very first math test story in the Bible. And that's the story of Adam and Eve. Okay. We all know the story that they were supposed not to eat a particular fruit from the garden. However, God is not a God of waste. Therefore, the apple trees were not dropping and rotting. It means they were eating, okay? But they were supposed not to eat a particular fruit. So we are going to simulate this experiment. And we are going to act as our Eve, okay? To save the world from another area of sin. So we have our apple here. We are going to create our garden with 13 what? Apple. 13 apple fruits. Let me bring this one here. So Miriam Eve. So you can say we have a couple of apples on the table. Green, and we have 12 green ones and one red apple. Okay. This was the apple that God asked them not to eat. However, they can go ahead and eat any of the green ones, okay? But if they want to eat the red one, then the red one must be the last one to be eaten. And this is how they can go about it. They can start from any of the apples, either red or green. They will count to the 13th one, then they can eat it. The cycle will continue in that same order. So the red one becomes the last one to be eaten. In that sense, they have not sinned. But if it happens that they eat the red one before all the green ones are exhausted, then you have sinned. So you are going to act as a thief, okay? So I'll give you some few minutes to do some calculations in your head. That which one will you take and to what direction will you move to, so that you will be able to eat all the green ones. So the red one becomes the last one. Okay? So this is going to be your pointer. Don't disappoint your generation.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
13. So this one is eating. So continue from here. So you can't start from anywhere again. You continue from the where you ended. So continue.
1, 2, 4,
18. This one is also 18. Continue.
5, 6,
Okay. Continue.
1, 2, 4,
18. No, from here. You can start. You continue. So this you ended here. So this should be the first one. 10.
10, 11, 12,
13. Okay. So you start from the red one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay. Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Miriam is saving the world. So you start from here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
13. 4 more. This you start from here. Start from here. Let's go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
13. Pressure, pressure, pressure.
I can't know.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
12. 13. Ooh! Miriam has taken the world back to sin again. Wow. So the red apple is eaten, and then Adam and Eve has fallen again. Okay. Okay. You did very well. So far, you're going to play how many apples? 9 apples. So if one apple represents 10 years, the 90 years, Adam and Eve were living successfully in the garden. So the serpent convinced them to eat the red one, and they fall. Okay, now this puzzle is simple, but more mathematical than we think it is. It is less of luck and faith, but more of what? Mathematics. So those watching, if you have, go through your math formulas and leave in the comment section what will be the formula to get the last apple eaten. Okay, now you have the red apple here. This can be anywhere in the circle, okay? Now for you to have the red apple be the last apple to eaten, this is what you do. You start from the red apple and count 8 steps away from the red apple in any direction. So you can start from it and count 8, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you're going to start on this one, okay? But here, we started from what? Counting anti-clockwise. You get me? No. Clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is clockwise. But to start counting, you will start from this apple and count anti-clockwise. You get me? In the same way, if we start clockwise, anti-clockwise, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 8 apple. Then you start counting what? Anti-clockwise. From here, 1, 2, 3, okay. So because you always count clockwise, let's start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is going to be the what? The first apple word to start counting from, not to eat anyway. So start from here and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. This one is eating 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. No, count as a point. No, this is where we ended. Okay. So this becomes the last apple, and you can give. Awesome. And I can give you some to taste. And you know some. But I'll give you this one. So just remember, Miriam, you could not save the world, but you did your best. Thank you for joining me in today's experiment. Thank you also for watching. Please subscribe to this channel, share this video, and see you again in the next experiment.